Anything becomes more beautiful when it's also meaningful. And this lovely and colorful cookbook proves that point. It's called Life at Our Table, and it's filled to the brim with gorgeous food, delicious recipes, but every dish you make and every page you turn supports something bigger. Community advocate, friend of the show, sheer force, and now author Kristin Andrus is joining me in studio. It's so good to see you, sister.
I am so happy to be back.
Congratulations. You and I were talking in the prop hall about the weight of a publication. You've done so many amazing things and will continue to do so, but this book, Kristin, must feel so good to have out.
It is so exciting, and let me tell you, when I was prepping for today, I have made at least half of these recipes on Studio 5 10 years ago. So you were really at the forefront of this. You let me kind of practice my craft and then be able to put together this beautiful book. So you are absolutely in these pages.
Well, it means a lot that you would even say that. But you love food. You love how food connects people. So does your family. And this became a family project.
Yeah, so we do not have a lot of pioneer heritage or genealogy that goes generations back, but we are gatherers, we are cooks. My parents always had a long table. You know, we always had people coming. My mom was a cook, my dad was a barbecuer, and it was always our love language. And so when I thought, you know, my parents are in their 70s now, and I thought, what is this legacy that they have left that we have carried on in my siblings and I? And it absolutely is this gathering. It's this connecting. It's feeding people. And so it was a gift and my love letter to my parents and acknowledging all that they've done and really the path that they have led us on.
I can't imagine how your parents must just be busting and so proud. You're a natural gatherer. You're also a natural giver, and 100% of the proceeds go to Huntsman Mental Health. I know this comes from a personal place too.
Yeah, and so if you know me, you know when I'm on Instagram or whatever I'm doing, I want to do good. I want it to be altruistic. So I thought, how do I just go try to sell this book for $35? And when the family came together and, you know, the years of putting the recipes together, and I thought, what if we put this towards substance abuse and addiction, prevention, education, and recovery? Our family tree is also really full to the brim, sadly, with mental health issues, with addiction from great-great-grandparents, up into my immediate family with my brother. And he has, you know, spent 2 decades fighting addiction, and it is a fight.
Yeah.
Absolutely, and he now is in a place where he can share it. And then we partnered with the Huntsman family and Huntsman Mental Health Foundation, and they are on the forefront of incredible things. They are disrupting the mental health space, and what they're doing in Utah is absolutely a lighthouse that the nation is looking at, the world is looking at. So we're a partnership made in heaven. It has been so cool to see all of these proceeds, and I'm not going to tell you how much we've gathered so far, but it's a meaningful amount towards a really important cause. Everyone, after all the events we've had, they line up to meet with my brother. There is a long line to say, me too, my sister, my brother, my dad. This touches all of us, truly.
What was it like to put this together? Knowing the heart behind it and the story behind it.
Okay, had I known now what I know now, I probably never would have done it. It was so much work, but really the journey was the destination, right? So it was getting my family together, sitting around and pulling out recipes. And, you know, my family lives all over the country, so we're not all based here in Utah. So it was such a fun thing. And then we come last summer together in Utah, 24 of us, a week-long photo shoot.
Oh my gosh.
Talk about a core memory. And by the way, even if you did a little recipe book on, you know, chapbooks or something like that, it is so meaningful to come together as a family in your adulthood with your, you know, aging parents and make something beautiful
every
together.
Every food has a million stories. Every recipe has a million memories.
Yes, and there is a story with every single recipe and tips and tricks. I think my mom and sisters and I and dad have so many great ideas around hosting. Like, we have so many little things that if you read through it, hopefully it will help you gather and feel more confident in bringing people to your table.
The most important question I'll ask today, how do we get our hands on a copy and then donate to that great cause?
So 100% of the proceeds, and that's why I want everyone to know, go towards Huntsman Mental Health with substance abuse and addiction. KristinAndrus.com. I want to sell out. Let's get and have conversations. There's so many great conversation starters you can have, and it really leads you to a beautiful place. So the book is a reminder.
Great for Mother's Day.
Great for Mother's Day.
Coming up, so KristinAndrus.com.